sponsored by Laguna Surf and Sport and PBS. There you go, Sergio. Over the hip backside. Sponsored by Power. This little guy's got some power. Look at him. Going down. Front side, lip slide. Sitting back on it, pulling in. No hands. Big flip. To a rock and roll there. Nice little manual across the deck. Finger flip. Going in a finger flip. Oh, not quite pulling that, but that's okay. That was a good run. We still got a little bit of time here. Looking good. All right, Sergio's run. That's his first run, 71. Basically is the score I'm throwing down to him, which is right in the middle of the pack. Kyle Wiley, good time skate shot. He's up next, Kyle Wiley, and then after that, Jake Warren, good time skate shot. He's flexing his muscles. There you go, kick flip to 50-50. A little ledge over there. Backside board slide comes off switch stance. Bam, nice little backside. Going the other way, pulling off standard. Nollie, oh. Going for the nollie shove it right there. Alright, Sergio's got a little time here. Backside grab over the hip. Front side grind. Backside disaster. Pretty clean backside. Oh, grabbing it like a front side air over the hip. That's turning to a front side left side. Solid run from Sergio. There it is.